Hello there. Today we're going to do a video showing you how to make this lovely purse envelope. All right, so let's get with it. Let's show it one more time. So first, what we need to cut out. This is the first piece. You will need to fold your paper in half, and then this one right here, it cuts along here, 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 and then this will not cut this side, so that you can make you can either use it for a card, or like we're going to use it for the purse here, for the bottom part of the purse. Now the next part that you need to have cut out is the topper. It's made from this die, and this die will cut all the way around here, and then this one right here will score it so that you can bend it. You'll need to have that cut out. Let's set those dies aside. And the last one that you'll need to have ready is this die here. And this die will cut out the square, and then we'll score here, and score here. And they also emboss at the same time. So you're going to need a strong glue. The glue that I would recommend for putting this envelope together is the Crafter's Companion Glue. It's the purple one. So let's go ahead and get started. So open up your part that looks like the card. Turn it around. And actually, let's grab the topper. And we need to fold that where it is perforated. I mean, not perforated, but where it is scored. Give it a nice, firm burnish. After you're done burnishing it, get out the glue. I find the easiest way is to open it up and put the glue on this bottom half here. I find this to be an easier way to do it. All the way across and flick to the side. Now we're going to get this, and we are going to line it up with that fold. And when we've got it with the fold and it's even, run our finger along there to get some heat on it so the glue will stay where it needs to. You can even take your bone folder, or this is a Crafter's Companion one too that I've had for a long time, and just burnish it all across and pick it up. And I've noticed the next easiest part to do is if you have two of the pattern pieces. These are the Gussets. These will go on the side. Is first you are going to need to fold it in half where the gusset is. Move that to the side and burnish it. And then this one here will go back and burnish it. And then the other one, flip it around and it will go up. So it's in a fan motion, so you're going back and forth. But because you want, no, actually I think I did that wrong. So that's a learning lesson. So actually, if you want the pattern out, this one goes down first, and then the back and forth method. Yes, because when you glue it down, you want this part here, the mountain, to go in the middle. Okay, so let's do the same thing with the other one. And this is just with your patterned paper. So fold it back. And then the other way. And then flip it around and fold this one back. Actually, I think that maybe I didn't fold it quite well. This one's right. This one probably just needs to go up. Yes, this one here, the middle one needs to go up a hair. Oh well, we're not going to worry about that. I don't think that's really going to affect it, but it's not absolutely perfect. Now we take this the main envelope purse back over here. And the way that I like to do it, that I have found is the easiest, is we're going to get our tape. We're going to put it right here. We're going to run it all the way to the bottom. Stay as close to the edge as you can without going over. Okay. And the mountain here, the white part, is going to go on the inside. Put that along the very edge there. Press it down. Press it down. Rub your finger along. You can even get your bone folder and push it down. Now let's come and do the other side. Start here and roll it all the way to the topper and flick off to the side like that. Put our cap on. Now get our other gusset. We lay it down in the same manner. Rub it down with our bone folder. Okay. Now push both of these down. And you're going to let this naturally fall where it would naturally fall. Don't try to push this up. Actually, put it right here. Put your fingers right here and right here. And then gently move your fingers up and push down on both sides. So it's nice even. You can even re-burnish it so that it's nice and flat. And then it will go down like this. You could even make a few of these and use them for coupons or something. Now we're going to open it up, and one last thing that I do like to do is, I can't find my circle punch, so we're going to go with a cute little bow design punch. We're going to use the same paper that we had used before. We're going to stick it in there. Punch one. Oh, that didn't punch all the way through. Let's try that again. We don't want a little dutter. Okay, let's do it diagonally. And this is just a little bow punch. So that's one. And I think we need one more. Just lay it down. The ribbon through. And push down. Okay, now I have two lovely bows. Let's see if that was enough. I can't remember. And we get our little mini glue dots. Actually, let's use regular glue dots we have here. And we need to get these are called Diadem Magnets. They are very strong, powerful magnets. So you would need to either use wet glue with them or glue dots. Oh boy. Very hard to pull apart. Okay. And we're going to need to take two of them. Let's see if I have two. Yes, I have two right here. Put them right here with the bows. And you will see how quickly they go right back together. Let's zip that up. So first thing first, let's get our glue dots. we're going to pick it off the roll here. Okay, I'm going to put it on the other side like that. We're going to take the entire magnet here, and this is why. I'm going to put it right on the top part of that so it's somewhat centered. And then we're going to take another glue dot. Okay, and we're going to put it on the other side of the diadem magnet. And now we are going to fold this over. Press hard where that diadem magnet is. And then see, we've got it exactly placed where we want it. Okay, now we're going to take the glue dot again. Put one right there. And then we are going to take our cute little bow, put that right on the top there. I'll just kind of disguise it, but let's see if we can disguise it better on the other one. Take another glue dot. Put it on the other one. Let's get that glue dot back on there. Put the bow right there, and it covers up most of the diadem magnet. And then when you close it, it closes like that. And then you can open it. And boom, it closes again. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make this adorable purse envelope for your memory books, or your precious memory books. So I hope you enjoyed that. And as always, have a wonderful day. And I wanted to say something just really quick. If you're at home and you feel alone, please reach out to someone. Or if you just feel like this is really tough, please call a good friend or do something, get up and go do something that makes you feel happy. I don't want anyone at this time to have to feel that loneliness or a sense of seclusion. So I want everybody to have a lovely day. Do what you can with your time to feel better. And as always, please be happy, have a good day. And as always, please be kind. Thank you.